And if we close our latching mechanism, that's strange. We should be unlocking. I mean, we should be unlatching. It should be open. Very strange. I'm going to disconnect the locks and we'll see if that's where our problem is. Seems to be fine. Disconnect this here too. Okay, she's coming back out. I'm not sure. Okay. That will open now, I'm sure of it. Move that out of the way. Okay, so what happened, and this is very interesting, this mechanism here did not fully release. So it would be like if you were holding your door handle open and trying to unlock it, it just would not unlock. What I saw was happening is that this, when this is in here and up on that post, and on this post in the back here, and lined up here, what I noticed is that the fold here was contacting this area right here on our rod, which was causing problems of this thing not being able to go all the way back up. So what I did, I took this rod and I added more bend to it. So if you were to set these two on top of each other, you can see that the new rod bends a whole lot more than the old rod. They used to have the same amount of bend, but it just wasn't lining up because this YJ one is just slightly smaller than this one. Plus, it has all of this adjustment here, where this one does not have any adjustment. Hopefully, that makes it better. So back in she goes. I'll put these back, just pushing those back on. This guy right here. And this should work. Okay. We close it. We lock it. Things are getting a little tight, so we'll have to spray this again. We lock it, and we can't open it inside or out. That's good. We unlock it, and it opens from the inside. We close it again, and it opens from the outside. Let's just make sure that these get nice and tight. Okay. 89 more degrees. Okay. 2 more degrees. Oh, yeah. All right. All of them straight up and down. Perfectly straight up and down. But that panel is latched on there really good. Should not come undone. And these are headed screws, but so are the factory screws, so shouldn't have any clearance issues. Now, one question I've been asking myself while we've been working on this is, can I take the panel, the interior panel, off of the CJ and put it on the YJ? It's just one clip that we missed. No biggie. So let's see if that works. Where is that? That's right here. Okay. So, will this fit onto here? I don't really want a black one because I don't have black interior, but it would appear that the clips are too loose. Oh, you know what? Maybe these clips are just old and broken. Let's check that out and see if... They're kind of loose, but they're kind of tight at the same time. Okay, baby, come on now. Okay. see what the condition of these are. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's bad. Those shouldn't look like that. But these might be able to come out. I'm not sure. But besides the fact that these are just gnarled up. Besides the fact that these are up, it would work just fine. Ooh. And then it pops straight on. It's just beauty. I did talk about stealing the door handle. The hole centers do line up, but this screw does not fit. So, I went to my local parts store and I bought that, which is a chrome screw that will fit the threads, a washer which will take up the space in there, and then a tube which will make this nice and tight so it doesn't wiggle around. I know it's a little janky, but this whole thing I've been doing is janky. So now you can see the final setup, the washer and the tube right there. Now, I know that somebody is yelling at the screen saying, yeah, you took off this beautiful black handle and now you got this ugly gray handle on there. Well, I have a solution to that. Armor All's trim and plastic restorer works really great on this. See that really takes care of that. I should have done this while it was out. It would have been a lot easier. Now this will fade in like a week. Maybe not even a week, but if I keep applying it, it will eventually hold onto the color. The color will stay black. But you see what happens, you clean one thing and then you gotta clean everything. Now I'm gonna put this into the car and I'm gonna have to detail the dashboard, which is currently covered in mud. Don't worry about that. Why doesn't our window wind down? Oh. I think what I should have done, and I forgot to do, is I should have put this window about halfway down. I think this rod here, yes, that's definitely it. It is this rod. I must have gone through it, so these rods must have been underneath that, and obviously that's going to cause some problems. So I think if I do it with the window down, I think that's the solution. But definitely one thing that you want to do if you are doing this yourself is check everything before you put the panels on. Okay, and then we'll see if this window will go up. Yes. And then back down.